Okay, welcome to this tutorial video. This is Juliana Diaz, and I'm giving you some steps on how to create a page. So, if you're here in the call for proposal wiki, you will find the proposal template in step number 5. You can find it here. You will click on this one, and then you will find the template that you have to copy and paste in your wiki. So you copy and paste this information, okay, and then we can go back to the other one, the call for proposal web page, and there you will find on the right corner, top corner, you will find a link in which you can create your own session or wiki. So first of all, you have to write the name of the session. So this is teaching EFL learners, let's say, and then you have to choose the folder, and it depends on the year that you are applying your proposal for. So in this case is EDO 2021 proposals. You can create your page, there you go, and then you paste the template so you can fill in the information about your session, and that's it. Thank you so much.